Becoming reliable to yourself. Early morning light through a window, there's a quiet moment most people don't talk about. It's the moment right after you promise yourself something, and no one is there to witness it. No applause, no accountability, partner, just you and the truth. Because becoming reliable to yourself isn't about motivation, it's about trust. And trust is built in silence. At some point in your life, you probably stopped believing your own promises. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't care, but because too many times, you said, "I'll start tomorrow," and tomorrow never came. So now, your mind listens politely when you make plans, but it doesn't fully believe you anymore. That's the real damage of broken self-promises, not failure. Erosion. Here's the hard truth. Your confidence isn't missing, it's wounded. Every time you say you'll do something and don't, you teach yourself a lesson that your word is flexible, optional, negotiable, and slowly, your inner voice stops trusting you as a leader. Becoming reliable to yourself starts with a radical shift. You stop trying to impress yourself and start trying to prove yourself, not with big promises, with small, undeniable actions. Because trust isn't rebuilt through intensity, it's rebuilt through consistency. You don't wake up one day and suddenly become disciplined. You become reliable the same way friendships are built, by showing up when you said you would. Even when it's boring, even when no one sees it, especially then. Start here, make promises so small they feel almost stupid. I'll stretch for 2 minutes. I'll write 1 sentence. I'll save 5 pounds. I'll go to bed 10 minutes earlier. Then this part matters, you do it. Every time. No negotiations. No dramatic inner debates. Because each time you follow through, something shifts. Your nervous system relaxes. Your mind takes note. Oh, they keep their word. Reliability to yourself creates a quiet confidence. Not the loud kind, the grounded kind. The kind that doesn't panic when things get hard, because it knows you'll show up anyway. There will be days you don't feel like it. Days when motivation is nowhere to be found. Days when quitting would be easier. And that's exactly when reliability matters most. Not because the task is important, but because the relationship is. The relationship you have with yourself. Every time you keep a promise on a hard day, you're telling yourself, "I can trust you even when it's uncomfortable." And that changes how you walk through the world. You stop second guessing. You stop over-explaining. You stop waiting for permission. Because deep down, you know you've got your own back. Being reliable to yourself doesn't mean perfection. You will miss days. You will fall off track. The difference now? You don't abandon yourself when it happens. You reset. You recommit. You follow through again. No shame, no drama, just quiet integrity. Because when you become reliable to yourself, you don't need external validation to feel secure. You've already earned your own trust, and that changes everything.